Planning to explore Penang, but don't want the hassle of carrying your luggage all day? Radical Storage provides a quick and secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the city's attractions. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of depositing your luggage at a storage point in Penang using RadicalStorage, a reliable platform that partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes to ensure your bags are safe and fully insured. To avoid any issues with phishing sites, simply use the official RadicalStorage website by clicking the secure link in the description. Once on the website, finding a storage point in Penang is easy. Just type Penang in the search bar and view the list of available storage spots across the city. Select a location that fits your itinerary, whether near tourist spots or transit stations. Then choose your preferred drop-off and pickup times. RadicalStorage provides secure online transactions, so you can book your luggage storage with confidence. After booking, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to your chosen location. When you arrive, show your reference to the staff, and they will securely store your bags, letting you explore Penang without worrying about your luggage. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.